If we finish this journey, Enugu will not simply be changed, it will be reborn.
Yes, sir.
This vision is not mine alone. It is yours to realize,
Yes, sir.
yours to defend, and yours to demand.
He's doing well. This is just 1/4 of his tenure in office. This is 2 years. We expect him to be there for 8 years. He has his plans. I'm sure he's working with his plans. He's doing well.
Peter Mbah, to me, is exceptional. I see him like a man who had a vision and is now on the mission to actualize his vision. Because what he began to venture into when he took over government was so surprising to me. It was some of those projects that people run away, at least people at the helm of affair, run away from. He went there with full force. And I saw some of those things that I thought were dead and had been abandoned being reactivated again. And I was very impressed. It's a blessing to this state. And I pray God to continue to guide and guard him throughout his administration and beyond his first administration, first tenure, to the other tenure, because what he is doing is visible, and I appreciate it.
It's only a blind man that cannot see and assess what Peter has done for the past 2 years. Peter came with this slogan, "Tomorrow is here." And Peter brought tomorrow down to Enugu. Peter is brilliant. Peter is creative. What you think he can't achieve, he just goes on. Look, okay. Peter will take go aeroplane to Enugu. Peter will take go transport. Now they use fuel. Look at the presidential. Look, no matter how much or Peter has, you can't help acknowledging the fact no more. Even on a lot of things Peter may go. So many people are on them. They want to go. As a matter of fact, on behalf of Ndi Otuanyi, Agame Christian Peter Oka Obuluzo.
Peter Mbah bonye nduwe. Peter kwezi mwa. Okute ndi bodiri anyị ka ijebe.